Good morning again guys. Ito na yung forma ng ginagawa nating dragon fruit stand. Yan o. Never mind the level of the height guys. Because nagdepende na sa itong cuttings. Oh. Oh. Kani guys. So maron ni guys. Then until sa naimo gani guys oh. Kay kani atong natanom karon is 82 ka dragon fruit atong natanom. So atong nahimo karon nga stand is 14 lang within 2 days. So grabe kahinay guys. Okay, thank you for watching.